What's going on, YouTube? We are back.
Doing it. Special card video.
We're back with a baseball card opening video. I'm here with my son, DJB. These are his cards. He got 2 blaster boxes, Topps Stadium Club Chrome blasters, and we are going to open them.
And they're from Christmas.
And they were from Christmas. DJB is 5 years old, so he is excited. He loves opening up baseball cards. Yeah? All right, you want to get started?
Yes.
Okay, hold on a sec. Gotta get the wrapping off first.
Pack. Let's cut this. Yeet.
You want me to yeet the packaging? Yeet!
Probably heard that.
You heard the earth.
Ooh.
Down there in there.
Please.
Oh, one thing.
Go ahead and look. So you get
Oops, you gotta do it.
Ooh.
There's
an exclusive base card parallel pack.
Open it. I want to start with the black one.
So you get, how many regular packs do you get?
4. And
4, and then you get the parallel pack.
5.
You sure you don't want to save the black one for last?
You want to open this one up first or last?
Because there's only
First.
one. All right.
So I'll get started for you.
Sorry, guys.
We're having a little difficulty with our camera positioning. All right. Well, this is a cool card. So it's Jackie Robinson.
Okay.
Hold on. That's 2 of them are stuck together. There we go. A Willie Calhoun.
Can some of these cards be mine?
Yes, they're all yours. Got a Brandon McKay.
I guess
He's
you can
a
have
good
this.
rookie.
I,
And a Corey Kluber.
you can have the rookie.
Okay, we're going to set the rookie off to the side.
That joke can be your pile. Okay. Now the next one. We still haven't read the pack.
I got a lot of them.
We get 10. Because it's 7 each one.
So we got 2 boxes.
Can I hold them this time?
All right.
Sorry, guys.
So we got a Matt Chapman.
Put it on down here.
Set it. You can set it down. Emmanuel. I can't read the
Right
name.
here. Put it by you.
There we go. A Bo Bichette. So let's look at the back of this one real quick. Got a Bo Bichette. Looks like it's textured almost. So that's a good one. Then we got a Tatis
You want to
Jr.
get the rookie?
Got a Tatis Jr. It's a good insert. Matt Olson.
Nice.
And a Tim Lincecum.
Oh, I already have one of these.
You have a Tim Lincecum?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You did open one of
We
these
opened
before,
up a
right?
couple more of these packs earlier. All right, so we'll set our pile here. Set it down right there.
I got this one already.
Yep. Okay.
Next one.
Okay, go ahead and rip the rest of the way open. Go to the bottom. Rip it
Nope.
from the bottom.
So we
Let
got
me hold it.
these.
Okay, Mike Minor.
They're good.
Robert Duggar. Ooh, you got an auto, a Sean Murphy rookie auto.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, hold on. Let's sleeve it up.
So all of these cards are going to be mine?
And here
that's
you
good.
got your first auto. Very nice.
Did you know Auto's keeping this?
I mean, the backs usually say let's see
Ratio.
here. So, I mean, it looks like it's just a base or a regular auto. Most likely not parallel auto. So, base card autograph. So, those are variations. That's not a variation. Well, I don't know if it's a variation or not.
Base Auto right there.
Base card auto, but it says variations 1 in 19.
Oh.
Base card auto variation parallel. So, it looks like it's a 1 in 19 packs. Well, we're not done with this
Oh,
pack,
we're not
guys.
done with that pack. I just got so excited. Thought
Okay,
it was the
Danny
end.
Holtzen,
Over here.
Rod Carew, and a Didi Gregorius.
Okay, now.
Make sure. Hey, try to move it over here. So we're... Okay, hold on.
We
Hold
got-
on. Roberto Alomar,
Here's mine.
Salvador Perez.
Nice, let's go.
There's a Glaber Torres.
Nice. Is this
All
a
right,
rookie?
hold on. Now it's an insert. Emperors of the Zone, Clayton Kershaw insert. Not bad.
Is this a rookie?
It'll
Yeah,
say
it is a
RC
rookie.
on it.
I want the
Okay,
rookies.
look
Yeah,
right here.
right there.
See that little RC? That means a rookie card.
Yeah.
I want the rookies most.
There's
Everybody
another
does.
rookie. Kyle Garlick.
Nice.
Garlic.
Nice one.
Garlic.
Garlic?
Garlic.
Let
Garlic?
Daddy open it.
Okay, let's
See
see.
the garlic?
All right,
The
let's,
garlic?
we'll set this our auto up. Sean
It's a
Murphy
gold
auto.
human.
Okay, let's open the pack. Let's open it up over here. I'll start it for you. And then you just pull it out. Okay, so Justin Dunn, rookie.
Ooh, there's a rookie.
Alex Bregman. Marcus Simeon. All right. Miggy Cabrera. A refractor. Yeah, it is. See that where it says refractor on the back? So we'll sleeve that card up.
Are they the good cards?
Matt Tice. Long.
Can you see if this?
All right, so that was the first blaster box, and we got DJB an autograph, which is kind of cool, right? All right, let's see what we can pull out of the second blaster. Nope, the other
Nope.
one. That one's empty. This one, we got to take the packaging off.
Cock. Aggressively. I'll put this on.
Hey, can you yeet this packaging for me? Yeet. All right.
I see another one on the ground.
Here, go ahead and pull the packs out.
One more in there.
All right, so we will.
Let's start with this one.
You want to start with the regular pack this time?
Yeah.
You want to save the parallel pack for last?
No. Yes. Wait, two. What's the other ones?
Okay. All right, go ahead and start at the bottom and rip to the side. There you go. And then pull it out to the side. Okay. So Max Scherzer.
Right here. Put it in your pile.
These are the best cards.
Yeah, these are base vets. Brandon Rogers.
Brandon, that's your name.
This one's spelled a little differently.
I think it's Brendan.
Brendan Rogers. There you go. Mariano Rivera. Josh
Okay, just-
Staumont. Hey, there's a Nolan Ryan. Very nice. And a Brandon Nemo. That's how you spell my name. All right. Not much in that pack.
It's just okay.
All right, let's go to the next one. Michael Brantley.
Nice.
Jake Odorizio. Odorizzi. You gonna make a new pile?
Because it's not going to be that fast.
Victor Robles. Look at him. That's a cool picture, huh?
Yeah, this is going to be like the ones that are close to rookies. You know?
Robert Duggar. This is a rookie.
A rookie.
And,
Logan Webb.
nope, not a rookie.
Yeah. That was
Yeah,
a rookie.
Logan
See
Webb's a rookie.
Look at the top.
Rookie.
There.
And a Xander Bogaerts.
No rookies, so we're going here. This one now.
Okay, go ahead and open the bottom up. Pull over. There we go. Got it. All right, here's a rookie. Shed Long. That's a cool picture, huh? He's laughing.
Because of my photo.
Paul DeYoung.
It's a rookie. So that's a rookie.
Elvis Andrus. Looks like we got an insert. Nice.
Oh, look at that.
A
Bo
Wookiee.
Bichette.
A Wookiee.
Yeah, it's,
Oh,
it's
that's gonna be a good
Bo-
one. We'll put it with
Let's
our good
let's sleeve it up real quick before we yank on the corners too much.
And this is what a Wookiee pile
Here,
is.
put it in the good pile right here.
Put it in your good
Oh,
pile.
This
this
is
is
our this is called our hits pile. Okay.
and Wookiee.
If it's a good rookie.
If it's a good rookie, it goes in the hits pile. All right, Matt Boyd
Okay, this is the one that's closest to Wookiees.
and James Karinchak. Never heard of that dude. He's a rookie too.
Then it'll go in here.
All right, one more regular pack.
And then we'll go do the back.
Oops, I did not open that one up very good. Okay, we got Gary Sanchez.
Nice. This is how it looks like. Stare into the eyes.
Seth Miejas Breen. All right, there we go. Luis Robert. Now this is a good rookie. Very good rookie.
Daddy will put those
He's
sleeves
one
on,
of the he's one of the top rookies in the class. So we want to sleeve him up.
Ooh!
Got another insert there. We'll put him up here.
I know where these ones go. I'm going to make a new pile for it.
Shane Bieber. That looks like a green.
New pile.
That's an insert. Kenley Jansen and an Eduardo Rodriguez.
Is this a Wookiee? No. So we put it in now. This is a Wookiee, so it's going to be
I don't
in.
know if that's a parallel or not.
We haven't opened
Because
this
the
one yet.
background's green, but I don't
No,
know.
one more packet. Yeah, right there.
Base card parallels. You got a red refract. Doesn't look like there's a green, so it must not be.
It's a new pile. What's the other one of this?
It's probably over there.
Yeah, it's in the hits pile. All right. So our last parallel pile.
If it has one of these, it'll go in this pile. These are like the normal ones, you know?
Here we go. Michael Chavis. Miguel Andujar.
Is this a good one?
It's stuck together. There we go. Go ahead, take it.
This is like...
Cattell Marte.
Wow, we're getting mostly
And-
of these.
A John Bertie rookie.
Is it a good one? No, that's not the... This is the Wookiee pile.
It's okay.
Because that's all the Wookiees.
All right. Do we want to recap our hits from the two boxes? So we got the Bo Bichette. Does that say Beam Team? I think it does. Yeah, Beam Team.
Yep.
Bo Bichette Beam Team insert. Got our Brandon McKay parallel. A Bo Bichette rookie. We got our Miguel Cabrera refractor.
Okay, what's my little thing where I
We've
keep
got
on my...
our Luis Robert
And
rookie.
we got that.
And we got our Sean Murphy auto. So what do you think? Was it a good opening?
Let's
Not
put
too
it
bad.
in my card frame.
Yep, we'll put it in your binder here after the video's done. All right. All right, guys.
Bye.
Like, comment, and subscribe if you liked the video and you want to see more of them. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Until next time.